Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on your Samsung Galaxy Flip6. To do it, open Google Chrome application, tap on the three dots on the right corner and there Settings. In it we choose Password Manager Segmentation and there we have password which our smartphone remember. We can click there, maybe to Netflix. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to that password. And where we are on it, we can, by this first icon, we can copy our username and passwords, or after we press this size icon, our smartphone shows us password which remember. When you tap on this icon, you can share this password to your friend. You can also edit all by tap on edit, and there you can customize your username, password and note. But remember, when you customize it, press save. You can also delete password which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.